Check out this 2007 BMW X5. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. And memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.